it was really wonderful, enriching journey for me for these 2 days. I have learned a lot from this workshop, and I will be very much careful from this beginning stage of how to write a paper and how to publish it and etc.
Workshop was very important because you recently had the session on AI, and now publication coming up, and the way you had dealt about generating from the IT also was very important. Sunita, your team is wonderful, and they've really done a wonderful job in this. Thank you very much.
Thankful to the entire team for organizing such an enriching workshop, because I have learned many new things, and each and every session was very informative, as well as very motivating. Always had a desire to convert my thesis into a book, but I had no knowledge on that. But I think with the knowledge that I have gained from this workshop, I can move ahead 1 or 2 steps towards my goal of converting my thesis into book.
Thank you for organizing this kind of workshop. Actually, from many months, I'm looking for a workshop on publishing on books or in journals. So I'm really grateful. Sunita ma'am's the way of delivering lecture, like it's like storytelling. I really like that, ma'am. Thank you, and I'm very much impressed by this way of presentation. Apart from madam's lecture, where I learned many do's and don'ts tips. Later, I really liked the lecture of Dr. Allison and Dr. Aaron yesterday. Apart from their lecture, today I really am really impressed by the lecture of Dr. Sigamani. Many doubts clear from his lecture. Later, I Miss Satinder Kaur madam and Praveen Gupta sir also gave a huge tips and do's and don'ts about that area. And apart from that, this is my first workshop with Anthropos India. I came to know in detail about this organization. And lastly, I would like to say that from yesterday we start these lectures with a big smile on Dr. Sweta madams. So I will really miss that, and I would like to thank all the organizer for organizing such a engaging workshop.
It's indeed a very insightful workshop. So I don't know from where shall I start to thank. Apart from that, it was very interesting. I have cleared lots of doubt for myself, and many people should listen to this workshop. I believe that this is very helpful to especially academics, because I am a prey of those parasite journals and all. So most of my friends also face the same thing. So this was indeed a very good experience for me, and I have learned a lot.